Folding chairs for camping come in all shapes and sizes, with lightweight models for backpacking and heavy-duty luxury models to meet your glamping needs. Whether you're car camping, backyard grilling, enjoying festival music, or hiking to your favorite lakeside campsite, we've narrowed down the best foldable camping chairs for every use and budget. Number 1. Helinox Chair Zero. If you're on the hunt for a chair that can fold up as small as an umbrella, then you're in luck, because this ultralight Helinox Chair Zero does just that. The entirety of this chair weighs 1-2 pounds and can be compacted down into the size of a water bottle, meaning you can store it in the side pocket of your backpack with no problem. This is the tiniest thing I ever did see. Our tester marveled. There are no straps to carry, but it's light and compact, enough that you could fit it in some purses. They shared after testing, made with ripstop polyester to prevent wear and tear, and aluminum alloy for durable yet lightweight frames. This chair is perfect to take on camping trips, to festivals, and even in your tote for a day in the park. The only downside to this feather-like chair, for our testers, was the price, which felt high compared to some of the others on this list. However, the extreme ease of portability and the durable material make this chair worth the splurge if you see yourself getting lots of use out of it. Pros: extremely durable, very compact chair, small enough to fit into a backpack. Cons: chair must be assembled and disassembled to fit into its small storage case. Number 2. Kelty Deluxe Lounge Chair. Another favorite among our testers, the Deluxe has a wide and broad sitting area that doesn't pinch or press into your hamstrings, shoulders, or hips. The steel supports are also large and the feet are widely spaced, giving the entire chair a stable, confident feel. The steel frame allowed our testers to use the reclining back confidently and lounge in the chair at just about any angle. The adjustable cup holders accommodate anything from a soda can to a beer growler. Yes, you can have up to 64 ounces of beer in your cup holder. It's so comfortable that one tester remarked, "My wife, who is 6 months pregnant, was happy to spend half a day at a bike race as long as she got to use the chair." That lazy boy level of comfort makes this an excellent option for car camping and RV use. Pros: comfortable no matter your posture, large cup holders. Cons: rolls rather than folds. Number 3. GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker. The Freestyle Rocker is a spring-powered outdoor rocking chair. Of all the chairs we've tried, the GCI Rocker chair has gathered the most outside attention. There's little more empowering than rolling up to the campsite with a foldable chair that rocks like this one. But we found the Freestyle Rocker more than just a novelty piece. It's one of our favorite camp chairs, full stop. It deserves a permanent summer residence on your front porch and should be the first chair you pack on any camping trip. It's actually one of the pieces of kit that gets most use when not being tested. GCI Outdoor has built its entire identity around well-executed rocking chairs for the outdoors that take things well outside of the box. Their Freestyle Rocker is one of 10 outdoor rockers they've developed over the years, and we've had the chance to take it for a spin or a rocking, as it were. Though light on features and padding, the GCI Rocker chair was a dominant contender in our top-of-the-season lineup and worthy of investigation for anyone seeking a unique mid-range model. Pros: the rocker function works well and is an excellent overall feature, folds flat for easy storage and transport, padded armrests, the steel frame is durable and holds up under some serious rocking, the upright seat feels great on your back. Cons: there is a serious disparity in quality between batches and sellers. The padding on the armrests leave much to be desired. The cup holder feels more like an afterthought than a feature. Number 4. Kijaro Dual Lock Chair. As one of the more traditional armchairs on this list, it makes sense why this winner was chosen as best folding chair. At a reasonable price for this high-quality product, you can rest assured that your next camping experience will be more comfortable than ever, thanks to this chair's breathable polyester design, not to mention the extra features that come with this option, such as cup holders and side organizers to hold your phone and keys. Our testers described it as a solid camp chair that would be comfy and last a while. Though the bag was a bit heavy to carry over the shoulder, our testers felt that the additional weight was worth it due to the Kijaro's stability and overall value. I'd recommend this to car campers especially, or anyone who generally needs a reliable folding chair. Our tester stated, "It has lots of pockets, it's comfy and sturdy, and at this price, we'd call this chair an excellent value." Pros: no sag seat, dual locking system, 2 cup holders, convenient zipper pockets. Cons: locking system can make it challenging to fold up the chair. Number 5. STRONGBACK Elite. A lot of camping chairs can make you feel like you're curling into a ball when you sit in them, mainly because they lack back and or seat support. The STRONGBACK Elite, however, provides both. With a reinforced frame that contours toward your back and extra padding, this camping chair provides ample support for campers with bad backs. Specifically if rounding the lumbar area of your back irritates or causes you discomfort, and the high back provides support for your upper back and neck as well. While this chair isn't as light as the Big Agnes Big 6, it is one of the lighter chairs in this review at just under 12 pounds, and if you're counting on a dependable cup holder, I wouldn't hold your breath with this one, but if sturdy lumbar support is your ticket to enjoying time outdoors, look no further. Pros: high supportive back, lightweight, spacious seat, multiple color options. Cons: shorter campers might find the back too high, flimsy cup holder, pricey.